भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायण सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिज विषयान् प्राश्य भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। पेज 127 टीका फर्स्ट लाइन। यदि तर्केण अद्वैतं संभावयितुं प्रकरणम् आरभ्यते तर्हि किमिति उपासकनिन्दा प्रथमं प्रस्तूयते तत्र आह। If through tarka Advaita is possible, that is what he said before. Tarkena api jnatum shakyam. So through tarka, if Advaita can be known, why you have to do upasaka ninda? Sambhavaitum Advaitam sambhavaitum prakaranam arabhyate tarhi kimiti upasaka ninda prathamam prastuyate. Why you are first bringing this topic of upasaka ninda? Tatra aha. उपास्य उपासनादि भेद जातम सर्वं वितथम केवलश्च आत्मा अद्वयः परमार्थ इति स्थितम् अतीते प्रकरणे यतः। In the previous chapter, when it is understood as Vaitathyam of what all things? So it is said everything including Upasya Upasanadi Bheda. So all Bhedas including scriptural Vidhi Purvaka Bhedas. Because in Karma and Upasana there are Vidhis. Vidhis are the Veda Vakyas. Even that is Mithya. This is concluded from the previous chapter. How? Na pruthak kinchit iti tattva vido viduhu. So sarvam dvaitam mithya. All bheda purvaka whatever is there is all mithya. Then only Atma is Advitiya, is Paramartha. So I am upasaka and Bhagavan is my upasya. This bheda is also mithya, and therefore that ninda prakaranam is given here. Now let us see next line in Bhashya. Upasana Ashrita. Acha, so already we are in shloka there. Okay, let us read the Karika. Om Upasana-shrito dharmo jate brahmani vartate pragutpatte rajang sarvam tena saukripana smritaha. Dharma means jiva. That jiva which is upasana ashritaha. उपासना एवं आश्रयो यस्य सह उपासना आश्रितः, और उपासनायाम आश्रितः उपासना आश्रितः. The one who is ashrita in upasana. And saha jate brahmani vartate. Vartate means he is vartamana, he is existing where? In jata brahma. In Brahma which is born, which is utpannam, means jagat. Brahma alone appears as jagat. So jagat is utpannam. This is called jate brahmani. In technical language they call karya brahma. Jagat is karya brahma. Hiranyagarbha is karana brahma. Hiranyagarbha or Ishvara. And then you have karya karana vilakshana brahma, nirguna. So jate brahmani means karya brahmani vartate. Vartate means vartamana. Utpatte he prak ajam sarvam. And his thinking is before creation everything was uncreated. Before creation came, Brahma was Aja. Now Brahma has become Jagat and Jiva, which is Amsha of Brahma, Mamayvamsha. So from Brahma, Jagat has emerged out, Jiva has emerged out. Earlier everything was Brahma. Then what is his thinking? That I will do upasana of this Brahma, and when Jagat goes back to Brahma, I will also go back to Brahma. And that will be Aja Brahma once again. It was Aja Brahma, then Utpatti, I got separated, Jiva, then I will go back. This is his thinking. Tena, because of this thinking, Asau Kripanaha Smritaha. He is considered as Kripanaha. He is pitiable. It means he is not thinking correctly. He is lost. Tika, first you see Tika. Ukta vakshyamana viroditvat upasakasya tanninda prakruta upayogini ityartha. And what is already said, ukta. Ukta means what is said, vakshyamana means what is going to be said. This upasana is virodhi of that. Therefore, upasakasya tanninda is Prakrita Upayogini. It is Upayogi for this topic. What is Uktam? Dvaita Mithyatva. What will be Vakshamana? Advaita Satyatva. In this, Upasaka Ninda is helpful. See Tippani number 3 and 4. Ukta ityadi. Sahi Dvaitam Brahmanaha Tatvika Parinamam Manyate iti Bhavati Advaita Virodhi iti Bhavaha. Saha Upasakaha, what does he think? Dvaitam is Brahmanaha Tatvika Parinamam. Dvaita is Tatvika Parinama of Brahma. Actually, creation has happened. Actually, jivas have emerged out. And for both, Shruti is there. Tasmad Vaya Tasmad Atmana Akasambhuta and Agnehe Visfulingaha. All that Vasana. So that mind is part of creation. If I give reality to creation and give reality to the Bheda, then Upasana is possible. And 4 number Tippani, Advaita Siddhim Vanchata Kriyamana Advaita Satyatva Ninda Pandava Jayam Kankshata Shalyena Krita Karna Ninda Iva Bhavatyeva Swabhishtarthopayogini iti Bhavaha. The one who wants Advaita Siddhi, Advaita Siddhim Vanchata Kriyamana. It looks Advaita, but you split and make it Dvaita. So Advaita Siddhim Vanchata Kriyamana Dvaita Satyatva Ninda. In this way you read. Person who wants Advaita Siddhi and he does, the Ninda of that person who says Dvaitam is Satyam. Dvaita Satyatva Vadi Ninda Advaita Siddhim Vanchata Kriyamana. How it is? It is like Pandava Jayam Kankshata Shalyena Krita Karna Ninda. Shalya was the king of Pandava side. He was the maternal uncle of Nakula and Sahadeva. You know this story, this is a nice story. We have to learn something from here. So when everybody was given choice where they want to join. So this Shalya, he was very clear. He wanted to join Pandavas only. So when he was coming with his army, on the way, some comforts were provided at regular intervals. Tents were made and water arrangements. Main thing is water. You have to keep it available for so many people. And some rest and food and some entertainment probably. So he was very pleased. And he thought, he took it for granted that Pandavas have arranged all this. And he enjoyed all that comfort. Later, he found out all this is done by Duryodhana. Now he didn't have choice. Because he used all the comforts provided by Duryodhana, he had to fight with, means taking the side of Duryodhana. So this we should remember, that if we take anything from anybody, then we will have to listen to what they say. That's why best thing is, don't take anything from anybody. Take, if you are a sannyasi, take minimum. Because the more you take, there is a hidden message that now you will have to listen to what I will tell you. And this is the rule. Like these people who give money to politicians, why do they give? They say you win the election. Win the election means after that, whatever we ask, you will have to give. We want this land, we want this subsidy in business, in manufacturing, whatever. So if you take something from someone, it comes with strings. There are strings attached. Like how those puppets are moved with the strings. So puppets are here, strings are here. And those puppets will move because there are strings attached. Here had to take sides of Kauravas. but he got very angry because he understood that I was cheated. So he said, I will take revenge of this. How? So when he was told, Karna said, Arjuna, I will fight with Arjuna. But Arjuna has the best charioteer, Bhagavan Krishna. I also want the best charioteer. And he said, I want Shalya to drive my chariot. Now you see, you ask a king to drive chariot. He may be good, but this is something inappropriate to ask. So then Shalya said, I will condemn Karna. Throughout the ride, he went on abusing Karna, saying, how are you going to fight? You are no match. Because he said, I have been trapped into this. I did not have anything to do, but they got me into this. So that's why Pandava, he wanted Pandavas to win. He said, I will die, but Pandavas should win. Pandava Jayam Kankshata Shalyena Krata Karna Ninda. In the same way, if you want Advaita Siddhi, you have to do Upasaka Ninda. This is the Artha. But as I told you, Mahabharata and all, so many things you can learn from these stories also. Bhavati eva swa abhishta artha upayogini. This ninda will become swa abhishta artha upayogini. Iti bhavaha. Now, this upasana means some other things also we should know. Upasana ninda is done to remove Dvaita. But the final Dvaita, the scriptural Dvaita, the worldly Dvaita which we see and which we have accepted, that Dvaita I should already not have as my ashraya. So, who is condemned here? Who does not have other things as the ashraya. He is upasana ashrita, natu vastu ashrita, vyakti ashrita, paristhiti ashrita, deshakala ashrita. Such person is inferior to one who is upasana ashrita, means he doesn't take ashraya in other things. That person is condemned. Now, if I have ashraya in some bhautik vastu, objects, and I don't want to, let's say, let go of those things. And when I read upasana shrito dharma jate brahmane vartate, his ninda. So if I say, see, even Mandukya does upasana ninda, therefore I will not do upasana, that is incorrect justification. First, you let go of all other dvaitam. As I said, if vastu or vyakti or paristhiti or some deshakala, if those things I cannot let go, then I should not let go of upasana. If upasana is the only ashraya for me, all other ashrayas I have already removed, then this shloka is for me. So, first of all, we should not do any ninda of somebody else who is upasana ashrita, because we don't know where they are in their sadhana. And as far as we are concerned, if we are not up to this point, upasana is required for us. And after jnanam, if you want to do upasana, you can do upasana with mithyatva buddhi. And if you don't want also, it is okay. And because of purva samskaras, if that upasana continues, then there is nothing wrong. Just like the diksha, atana, snana, they are based on samskaras, they continue. This also can continue, knowing that it is mithya. This is one aspect. So all other dvaita should be already understood as mithya. Only upasana is remaining, that I will let go through this. And second thing is, upasana has a purpose. Upasana for chitta ekagrata, upasana for chitta vishalata is not condemned. Upasana for thinking in this way, that after pralaya I will become one with Aja Brahma, for that thinking upasana is condemned. Upasana is not condemned for chitta ekagrata. Upasana is not condemned for chitta vishalata. Upasana is condemned when somebody says, later I will attain Aja Brahma. So both aspects we should know. One is upasana ashrita person, means upasanayam eva ashritaha, natu anya or anyatra. And the second is, after upasana the result is I will attain Aja Brahma, which is not available right now. Such person is condemned. But if I say I am doing upasana for chitta ekagrata, there is nothing wrong, because that is the objective of it. I need chitta ekagrata, I will do it for it. So both these ideas I should know. This prak in Tika is actually referring to the shloka. So prak utpattehe ajam sarvam. Prag avasthayam sarvam idam ajam. All idam is ajam. Ahancha. Aham was also ajam earlier. Prak means srishte prak, before creation. Tatha iti upasako yato manyate. Since this is how, aham cha tatha. Sarvam idam ajam, aham cha tatha. I was also ajam. In this way, yataha upasako manyate. Since upasaka thinks in this way, atascha प्राग अवस्थ ब्रह्म विषया भविष्यति अजत्व श्रुति ही इत्यर्थः. Therefore, the श्रुति प्राग अवस्थ ब्रह्म विषया अजत्व श्रुति ही भविष्यति. अजत्व श्रुति प्राग उत्पत्ते है अजम सर्वम. उत्पत्ते है प्राग सर्वम अजम. कि प्राग अर्लियर ब्रह्म, प्राग अवस्थ ब्रह्म विषया श्रुति ही भविष्यति. Now, see in Bhashya. Upasanashritaha. Upasana Atmano Moksha Sadhatvena Gataha Upasaka. Upasakoham Mamopasyam Brahma. Upasanashritaha Upasanam Atmanaha Moksha Sadhatvena Gataha Upasako. Mamopasyam Brahma. He said, Upasana is my moksha sadhanam. And he has some idea of moksha. What is his idea of moksha? Right now, I am not mukta. I will do something. Do something means some kriya. Now, whether it is kaika kriya or manasa kriya, it is kriya for this sadhaka. Mentally, I will go on doing something, then I will attain Brahma. Now, this mentally doing something also could be of two types. One is I do Ishtadevata Upasana or Hiranyagarbha Upasana. And some people have this idea, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi. In Naishkarma Siddhi, we saw two Purva Pakshas in the first chapter. So they say you create this thought, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi. This is a kind of Upasana. This is Mandan Mata and other is Bhartr Prapancha Mata. So this Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi. This is Upasana. This is Mansika. This alone is called as Prasankhyanam. Or you do Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, something, and that Upasana will lead you to Brahma Prapti, whatever is your idea of Brahma, Saguna Brahma. उपासना आश्रित उपासनाम आत्मनो मोक्ष साधत्वेन गतः उपासकः. What is his idea? Aham upasakah, mama upasyam brahma. Means we are two different. Then tad upasanam kritva jate brahmani idanim vartamanah. अजम ब्रह्म शरीर पातात् ऊर्ध्वं प्रतिपत्स्ये प्राग उत्पत्तेश्च अजम इदम सर्वम अहम च. So you have to read this vakya in this way. Tad upasanam kritva शरीर पातात् ऊर्ध्वं अजम ब्रह्म प्रतिपत्स्ये. Having performed this upasana, tad upasanam kritva sharir patat urdhvam, after the drop of my body, ajam brahma pratipatsye, I will attain aja brahma. So right now, right now I am not brahma. Right now I am not a brahma. Let me do my upasana. This itself tells you, if this is condemned, that means right now I should be brahma. And Brahma is not attained through manasik kriya also. This condemnation proves it. Brahma is not attained through manasik kriya. Brahma, of course, is not attained through sharirik kriya, which is karma. So, tad upasanam kritva, I will do upasana of that Brahma. Tad means tasya upasanam kritva. When body drops, then I will attain that ajam Brahma pratipatsye. What about right now? Idanim jate brahmani vartamanaha aham. I am in the jat Brahma. Vartamana means existing. I am existing in the Brahma which has taken birth. Karya Brahma, this Jagat. I am in Jagat now. I will go in Brahma later. What does Vedanti say? I am Brahma. Not that I am in Jagat right now. Prag utpattescha ajam idam sarvam aham cha. Utpattehe prag, before creation. All this was ajam, unborn, and aham also, aham cha. I was also one with ajam. Ajam means Brahma. I was also Brahma. Jagat was also Brahma. Now Jagat has come out. Jagat is called Karya Brahma. Jagat is called Karya because it is effect. And Ishvara is called Karana Brahma. But if you see, if you take Karya and Karana oneness, like clay and pot. So clay and pot, avastha bheda is there. Earlier it was clay, now it is pot. It is the same thing. So Karya Brahma is nothing but that same thing, Karana. Only avastha bheda is there. Prag utpattescha ajam idam sarvam aham cha. Tika. कार्य स्थिति अवस्थायाम यदि ब्रह्म, see this is called कार्य स्थिति. कार्य स्थिति अवस्थायाम यदि ब्रह्म तन्मात्रम इष्टम तर्हि किम उपासनया प्राप्तव्यम इति आशंका. In कार्य स्थिति अवस्था, if ब्रह्म तन्मात्रम इष्टम, 5 number टिप्पणी we didn't see. 5 number टिप्पणी said न जायते इत्यादि रूपा श्रुति. ओके. 6 number तन्मात्रम कार्य मात्रम. कार्य स्थिति अवस्थायाम यदि ब्रह्म कार्य मात्रम इष्टम, इन कार्य स्थिति अवस्था ब्रह्म इज ओनली कार्य ब्रह्म, तर्हि किम उपासनया प्राप्तव्यम, देन व्हाट इज देयर टू बी अटेन्ड थ्रू उपासना ब्रह्म. इन भाष्य यदात्मको हम प्राग उत्पत्तेः इदानीं जातो जाते ब्रह्मणि च वर्तमान उपासनया पुनस्तदेव प्रतिपत्स्ये इति एवं उपासनाश्रितो धर्मः साधकः. This much let us see. Yadatmakoham means what is my nature was there utpattehe prak. That was there before creation. Now idanim jatah. Now I have birth. See, when anyone says I have birth means only sharir has birth. So I have birth means I am seeing from body standpoint. Not even sukshma sharira, only sthula sharira. Idanim jatah jate brahmani cha vartamana. And I am existing in this karya brahma, jata brahma. Upasanaya punas tadeva pratipatsya. Through upasana, once again I will attain that brahma. Iti evam upasana ashrito dharmaha sadakaha. He is called upasana ashrito dharmaha. Means he knows karma will not take him there. He knows any other laukika prayasa, effort, will not give him that. Only upasana. And many times people are clear, I have to do something, then only it will happen. So here it is said, you don't have to do anything, you just know that you are already that. Tika इदानीम उत्पत्ति अवस्थायाम जातो जाते ब्रह्मणि स्थिति अवस्थायाम वर्तमानोहम प्राग उत्पत्तेः यदात्मकः सन् आसम तदेव पुनः प्रलयावस्थायाम उपासनया प्रतिपत्स्ये तत्क्रतुर्न्यायात् इति संबंधः. इदानीम उत्पत्ति अवस्थायाम जातः जाते. सो इन उत्पत्ति अवस्था जातः स्थिति अवस्थायाम वर्तमानः स्थिति. इन स्थिति अवस्था I am existing in this karya brahma. Before creation प्राग उत्पत्तेः यदात्मकः सन् आसम तदेव पुनः प्रलयावस्थायाम उपासनया प्रतिपत्स्ये. Before creation, what was there? Asam. That alone, after pralayavastha, after means when pralaya happens, then pralayavasthayam upasanaya pratipatsye. So if pralaya is going to happen, let us say after 4 lakh years, he will wait. For 4 lakh years, he will go on doing upasana in some other world. Then he will get liberation. This is his thinking. So he will, sometimes, they say, I will go to Golok Dhama or Vrindavan Dhama, means Vrindavan Loka, higher Loka. Then I will stay with Bhagavan as long as that world is existing. Then when that Leela is folded, then I will become free. Otherwise, I want to be near Bhagavan, I want to do seva to Bhagavan, I want to do something. I want to keep looking at Bhagavan. So this is the idea that we have. Remember, it is better to keep looking at Bhagavan than you keep looking at something else, or you keep looking at your phone, or you keep looking at somebody. Rather than that, you keep looking at Bhagavan. There is nothing wrong about it. In fact, to go to that point also, it is not easy. To go to some loka in Bhagavan's Sannidhya is not easy. You may ask, so you have already assumed that there is some Bhagavan which has a form. Yes, it is from Shastra. We are not doing any kalpana. Upanishad says that is not ultimate, but it is there. And we are so wonderful. This is human nature, you call, or whatever. If we are in front of somebody and too close we get, slowly we will start finding faults. This is not right, that is not right, this is not, this should be this, that should be that way. So I am sure such people, not everybody, such people, if they are in any loka, Narayan loka, Shiva loka, wherever, there also they will do this only. So this is not right here, that is not like this is, you are a visitor in this loka, you are allowed to stay here only for some time because of our little punya. In that you go on commenting about these, that you come, you do whatever you have to do and you go. We have the habit of condemning something or poking our nose in everything. Then there also people think, what is this useless person doing here? So पुनः प्रलयावस्थायाम उपासनया प्रतिपत्स्ये. What is the न्याय? तत्क्रतुर न्याय. 7 number टिप्पणी. अथ खलु क्रतुमयः पुरुषो. This is given in छांदोग्य श्रुति. यथा क्रतुः अस्मिन् लोके पुरुषो भवति तथा इतः प्रेत्य भवति. स क्रतु कुर्वीत इति छांदोग्य श्रुतिः. क्रतु means yajna. Kratumaya Purusha. Here Purusha means this Jiva. All the time he does some or the other karma. And he does this karma with some sankalpa. That's why it's called Kratumaya. Karma here means Vaidika karma. But otherwise, if we don't do Vaidika karma, we do Laukik karma all the time with some sankalpa. I will do this, I will do that. Goes on doing sankalpa vikalpa. Yatha kratuhu asmin loke purusho bhavati. Just as asmin loke, in this world, purusho bhavati, how yatha kratuhu, based on the yajna, etc. Tatha itah pretya bhavati. Departing from here, going elsewhere, he will be like that only. Means he will follow his karma, his upasana, and his, what is the third one? Karma, upasana, and yacha, sanskaras. Itaha pretya bhavati. Hereafter he will be that. Sa kratu kurvita. Sa kratum kurvita. I think the anuswara should be there. So that is the tippani. I will proceed. But anuswara should be there, I think. Kratu shabdarthascha iha adhyavasaya. Kratu shabdartha adhyavasaya we have to do. Why we have to do adhyavasaya? Because what you do, what kind of sankalpas you entertain, then that you will get. So when you say, what you think is what you get, or what you think is what you become, it is all based on this only. So this is the adhyavasaya. Adhyavasaya means nishchaya. What I think means, if I make it as a resolve, then it will happen. Kratum kurvita. Anuswara is there. यथाच अस्मिन् लोके यत् क्रतुर् भवति परलोके तदेव प्राप्नोति इति श्रुति स्मृति प्रसिद्धेः इत्यर्थः. So in Shruti Smriti etc. it is prasiddham. Yathacha asmin loke yat kratur bhavati. Whatever sankalpas and nishchayas I do in this world, accordingly I will get. So in my mind, this hetu phala sambandha is there. I will do this, then I will get this. I will do this, then I will get this. Therefore, you do something and you have nishchaya, I want this. So you will get that. If I make this nishchaya, I will go after Brahma Jnanam. I want only moksha. I don't want this samsara again. That nishchaya will push you in this direction. Loke means sharire. Yat kratur yad vishayaka adhyavasayavan. Yat kratu means in whichever vishaya I have made my nishchaya, resolve, adhyavasaya. Then accordingly I will get it. Smritischa, and Bhagavad Gita is quoted, yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajatyante kalevaram tam tame vaiti kaunteya sada tadbhava bhavitaha. The 8th chapter. Tatkratur nyayat iti sambandha. Now about this ninda, he says, Talavakaranam shakhayam upasyasya brahmatva nisheda darshanatcha upasaka ninda yukta itya. In Talavakara Shakha, Kenopanishad, upasya brahmatva nisheda nedam yadidam upasate. What is your upasya is not Brahma. He clearly said. Upasyasya brahmatva nisheda darshana. What is upasya of that brahmatva is not possible. Why? Some parichinna buddhi is there. In particular, that I am different from my upasya. I, the upasaka, am different. And therefore, upasaka ninda is yukta. Means, because it is against Shruti, that is said in 8 number Tippani. Shruti viruddham vadato ninda na nindya. Na ninda. Na nindya. Shruti viruddham vadato ninda na nindya iti bhava. You should not condemn that condemnation which is against Shruti. You should not condemn that condemnation which is against Shruti. So, ninda means condemnation. Nindya means condemning. I should not condemn something if it is against Shruti. Also, there is nahi ninda nyaya. I have told you, nahi ninda nyaya. Right? Nahi ninda nyaya is nahi nindam nindyam ninditum yatate. Nahi nindam nindyam ninditum yatate. किंतु और परंतु स्तुत्यम स्तोतुम प्रवर्तते. What is worth praising? That praise is done through this other ninda. So by upasana ninda, Brahma Jnana Stuti is done. That upasana will promise you liberation in future, after dissolution. Jnanam will give you mukti now. Not only will give you mukti, Jnana will say you are already mukta. Why you want to go through this long process? So that is the ninda. Indirectly doing stuti of Brahma. Oh, we have to see Bhashya. Yena evam kshudra brahmavid tena asau karanena kripano dino alpakaha smrto nitya aja brahmadarshibhi iti abhiprayah. This upasaka will be what? Kshudra brahmavid. He is the knower of Kshudra Brahma. Kshudra means one number tippani is Kala Parichinna. Because right now it is not Brahma, then later in time I will become one with Brahma. This is Kala Paricheda there. This is Kshudra Brahma. Kshudra means finite, chota. Tena asau karanena tena kripano. How he is considered? He is a kripana, dina, alpakaha smata. So he is he is a poor state, alpaka, very little, or he is miser because he is not using buddhi. Who is a miser who has money but he doesn't use it even for himself. He is walking somewhere, he is thirsty, he is supposed to drink water. He knows he cannot drink tap water, he has to drink bottled water. Bottled water guy says in summer 20 or 25 rupees. He'll say, no, I am okay. I will look for some, what is that, water drinking station. Piao, free water. He's called Kripanaha. We have buddhi, we have shastra, we have to think. So we are actually miserable in many ways, and our gurus, they love us so much. That's why they want to like do some hitting on our head that why can't you learn anything? Otherwise, you tell me, why would Gaudapadacharya ji say you are Kripana to his own some disciple who is Upasana Ashrita? He wants that person to get out of it. And then all of us also, we are stuck in some small mindedness. Dinaha, Alpakaha, Smritaha, Nitya Aja Brahmadarshibhihi. By whom? Those who see Brahma is always Aja, Nitya Aja. This fellow thinks Aja, then Jata, then after some time Aja again. Not that. Nitya Aja Brahmadarshi. Yadvacha anabhyuditam yena vagabhyudyate tadev brahmatvam vidhi nedam yadidam upasate ityadi shrutehe talavakarana. So in Talavakara Shakha, Kenopanishad, this mantra comes. Whatever is worshipped as idam is not a Brahma. Na idam yad idam upasate. Yad idam taya upasate tat idam na Brahma. Brahma is not idam. Brahma is aham. Tika. Ab anabhyuditam anabhiprakashitam. Yadvacha anabhyuditam. Anabhyuditam means anabhiprakashitam. Not illumined. Abhyudyate means abhiprakashyate, which is revealed. Upasate vacha vishayi kurvanti ityartha. Upasate means vacha becomes the vishaya. Vacha vishayi kurvanti ityartha. So upasana, vani or mind, whichever. Adi shabdena yan manasa na manute ye nahur manomatam tadeva brahmatvam vidhi nedam yadam upasate. So what is grasped through mind in the thoughts is not Brahma. Ikshudra Brahma. Finite. Okay. This Adi Shabdena Yan Manasa. Where is that Adi? You know what I am referring to in Tika first line on page 128. Adi Shabdena Yan Manasa Ityadi Grihyate. Where is Adi Shabda? Okay, where can it come? Think. It is given after Yadvacha Anabhyuditam quotation. So after Yadvacha Anabhyuditam, where is Adi? Exactly. We have to see this way, Okay, further. Bhedadarsinam upasakam advaita virodhinam ninditva samprati advaita pratignyam karoti. So having done ninda of Bhedadarshi upasaka, which is Advaita Virodhi, or who is Advaita Virodhi, Samprati means Idanim Advaita Pratignyam Karoti. Acharya does the Pratignya. Ato Vakshyamya Karpanya Majati Samatam Gatam. यथा न जायते किंचित जायमानं समन्ततः। अतो वक्ष्यामि अकार्पण्यम, देयरफॉर आई विल टेल यू व्हाट इज अकार्पण्यम। अकार्पण्यम भेदो, टिप्पणी 1 नंबर। कार्पण्यम मीन्स भेदो, द्वैतम इति यावत्। अकार्पण्यम मीन्स अद्वैतम। कृपणः in Braharanyaka, how it is given? The one who knows Brahma is called Akripana. One who does not know Brahma is Kripana. अविदित्वा एतदक्षरम अविदित्वा अस्मान् लोकात् प्रैति स कृपणः। Gargi, Yagnavalkya ji is telling Gargi. So, ato akarpanyam vakshyami means advaitam ajatam brahma vakshyami. Ajati samatam gatam. Samatam, that which is sama. Second number is not there for tippani. Samatam gatam nirvisheshatam praptam. Brahma which is nirvishesham. Nirvisheshata praptam Brahma. Remember, nirvisheshatam praptam means not that nirvisheshata will come in future. Brahma is already nirvishesha. Savishesha bhranti is there, that's all. Yatha na jayate, that is called samam, samatam gatam. Yatha na jayate kinchit jayamanam samantatah. Samantatah, samantat means from every way, everywhere I feel something or the other creation is happening. While this is happening, I have to understand na kinchit jayate. Nothing is born. There is no utpatti. While I see creation is there everywhere. So this, he said, I will explain how. This is the pratignya. Ataha aham vakshyami akarpanyam. This is the pratignya vakya. So now pratignya purti he will do. Jatir janma tadrahitam ajati. Now this is very simple, so I will not translate everything. Janma rahita is called ajati. So one should not think jati or ajati here means some caste, some subcaste, etc. Tatra hetum samatam gatam. Janma rahityam sadhayati. Now this not having birth, janma rahityam, that siddhi is done. Yatha na jayate kinchit jayamanam samantatah. Ataha shabdartham aha. So ato vakshyami. What do you mean by ataha? Bhashya. Sabahyaabhyantaram ajam atmanam pratipattum ashaknuvan. That person who is not capable, ashaknuvan means he is not capable of knowing pratipattum, what? Sabahyaabhyantaram ajam atmanam. He knows I am Atma, but what is my nature? Sabahyaabhyantaraha ajaha. That he doesn't know. Avidya deenam atmanam manyamana. And because of avidya, oh, I am so miserable. I want people to pay attention to me. This is the main problem. This is called karpanya dosha. Laukik people, we don't need big karpanya. This small karpanya itself is there. Kripanata. Somebody should pay attention to me. I am existing in this creation. Nobody notices, nobody cares whether I exist or don't. So people should think of me, they should remember me, they should register that I am existing. Now, which I is this? Not Brahma. This is Deha. Because where will people look? Who will people notice? Sharira. So this is avidya atmanam deenam manyamana. I consider, oh, I am very small. I need favors from people, attention from people. Those people who can get rid of this thought, they have the balam. Such people can get Brahma. Nayam Atma Balahine Labhya. So if this thing that, oh, I am so weak and I need others' support, others' attention, others' favor, whatever, this is weakness. You throw all of that from your mind. I don't need anything from anybody. I am Brahma. Then you see, then everything will be fine. We are in the habit of begging for some security, some happiness from someone. You don't need that. You are Brahma. Why? What is the use of saying, yes, yes, I know that I am Brahma, but what is this but? Ashaknuvan avidya deenam atmanam manyamana jato ham jate brahmani varte. Aham jatah, I am born and I am existing in jata Brahma. तद उपासना आश्रितः सन ब्रह्म प्रतिपत्स्ये इति एवं प्रतिपन्नः. He is upasana ashritah and he says, one day I will attain Brahma. Upasana ashritah san. San means tad upasana ashritah, upasana ashrita hota hua. Brahma प्रतिपत्स्ये इति एवं प्रतिपन्नः कृपणो भवति. प्रतिपन्नः अधिकारी. यस्मात् एवं अतः वक्ष्यामि अकार्पण्यम अकर्पण भावम अजम ब्रह्म. Therefore, I will reveal to you that Brahma which is ajam. So, karya karan vilakshana, what we say is this. Tika तदेव व्यतिरूप प्रतिज्ञा भागम विभजते अकर्पण इति. In pratigna, means in the shloka, this akarpana is there in the first line. I mean, in the tika bhashya third line. Yasmadato vakshyami akarpanyam akripana bhavam. That is the word. Akrapanata. Ajam Brahma. Brahma is akripana. I will tell you what is Brahma. But he said, I have already heard so many times. I will tell you akripana Brahma or ajata Brahma. Tad hi karpanyaspadam. Yatra anyo anyat pashyati anyat shrunoti anyat vijanati. Quotation I think is like this. Yad alpam tan martyam. But here it is given yad alpam martyam. So anya shrunoti pashyati vijanati. This is Chandogya 7th chapter and this is Brahadaranyaka. Yad alpam tan martyam. If it is martyam means it is asad. That's how it is given. Then vacharambanam vikaro namadheyam ityadi shrutibhyaha. Again Chandogya quotation. Now in Tika, तदेव व्यतिरेक मुखेन स्फोरयति तदहि कार्पण्यास्पदम यत्र only that deserves कार्पण्यम or karpanya will be there where अन्यः अन्यत् पश्यति, अन्यः अन्यत् शृणोति, अन्यः अन्यत् विजानाति, etc. Means this भेद बुद्धि is exist. टीका यच्च मिथ्या भूतम इति अत्र प्रमाणम. तच्च मिथ्या भूतम, all this is मिथ्या. द्वैतम is मिथ्या इति अत्र प्रमाणम is वाचारंभणम विकारो नामधेयम इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यः. टीका से कार्पण्यम उक्त्वा तद अभाव रूपम अकार्पण्यम प्रकटयति. So first he mentioned about karpanyam. Karpanyam uktva, its abhava rupa is akarpanyam. 8 number tippani says abhava rupam tadabhava upalakshitam. So the abhava of karpanya will be akarpanyam. Karpanya is because of avidya. Avidya abhava will give me akarpanyam. Avidya abhava will take place through vidya. So when vidya is there, then karpanya will go. So akarpanyam prakatayati tad viparitam. Tad viparitam is sabhahyabhyantaram ajam akarpanyam bhumakhyam brahma. So the opposite of karpanya is this sabhahyabhyantaram ajam akarpanyam brahma, which is infinite. So you can say karpanyam is some narrowness is there. I cannot accept other people in my life. I cannot accept their success, their glory. This is also karpanyam. This is very shallow karpanyam, shallowest shallowness. What is broadness? You will not believe. I heard something and that person said that in their family some bad crime had happened, and the person said, Swamiji, I have forgiven that person who committed this crime to our family. Now to forgive someone who has committed such a crime requires akarpanyam. So even in Vyavahara, that is not the akarpanyam of Upanishad. Upanishad akarpanyam is I am Advitiya Brahma. But even in Vyavahara, that I have to see oneness with this person who has done such a negative thing. Tika हेतुमेव प्रकटयन् व्यतिरेकमुखेन जत्वं प्रपञ्चयति. तत्वम is ajatvam. Hetumeva prakatayan, giving the hetu, reason for this, through vyatireka mukha ajatvam is being described. Bhashya yat prapya avidyakrita sarva karpanya nivrittis tad akarpanyam vakshyami ityartha. Having attained which all the avidyakrita karpanya nivritti will happen, that is called akarpanya brahma. Vakshyami ityartha. Tad ajati avidyamana jati asya is called ajati. There is no janma. Brahma is ajati. Avidyamana jati hi asya. Tad brahma ajati or ajatam. Samatam gatam means sarva samyam gatam. Samatva. Nirdosham is samam brahma. Brahma is samam. Third number tippani. Sarva samyam gatam nirdharmakatam gatam. Ityad. You say samyam is possible only when there is nirdharmakata. Between two objects, three objects. What is samyam between these? Nothing. All of them are totally different. Their usage, their color, their rupa, ranga, parimana, everything is different. To see samyam in this, that this object, this kerchief, all are one Brahma. So not as the object itself, because work of spectacles will be different from work of lekhani. So samatva is not in the form of how you use it, but that sat is there in all. Sadrupena samatam gatam. This is what Bhagavan says, samoham sarvabhuteshu, name dveshosti na priya. I am samaha in all. Means I am sat only in all. Kasmat avayava vaishamya abhavat. Samyam is there because there is no avayava vaishamyam. Parts, more or less same. Actually, it is niravayavam. Tika samantata. Okay. We have some more. See bhashya. Yad hi savayavam vastu tad avayavaihi vaishamyam gachat jayate iti uchyate. That which is savayava vastu tad avayavaihi vaishamyam gachat. When the parts become different or there is vishamata, then we say that thing is born. Means something new has happened to that. Vaishamyam है upachaya apachayatmaka. Some growth, some decay, etc. Idam tu niravayavatvāt samatam gatam iti. But this Brahma is niravayava. Therefore it is samatam gatam iti. Na kaischid avayavaihi sputati. Ato ajati akarpanyam. So not with the avayavas, it has niravayavatvāt samatam gatam. He always samam only. Samatam gatam means samam. Na kaischid avayavaihi sputati ato ajati akarpanyam. Sputati. 5 number. Abhivyajyate. This is a good sputati. Means manifesting. Avayavaihi na sputati. Therefore it is called ajati akarpanya. So if parts are there, those parts, when they manifest in different ways, it will create differences. Ajati akarpanyam niravayavatvāt na sputati avayavaihi tasmat ajati akarpanyam. Now samantataha in tika. Samantata iti purnatva sankirtanam. So samantataha samantat yatha na jayate kinchit alpam api na sputati ato ajati akarpanyam. Samantataha means samantat. So from all directions, because it is purnam, purnatva sankirtanam. यथा न जायते किंचित अल्पमपि न स्फुटति अतः अजाति अकारपण्यम. द्वितीयार्धम व्याचष्टे यथा इत्यादिना. यथा न जायते, यथा रज्ज्वां सर्पो भ्रांत्या जायते तथा सर्वं भ्रांति दृष्ट्या जायमानत्वेन भासमानम अपि यथा येन प्रकारेण वस्तु तो न जायते किंतु सर्वतो देशतः कालतः वस्तुतस्य पूर्णं कूटस्थमेव वस्तु भवति तथा तम प्रकारम इति संबंधः. यथा रज्ज्वां सर्पो भ्रांत्या जायते. इन रज्जु सर्प इज देयर आउट ऑफ भ्रांति. तथा सर्वं भ्रांति दृष्ट्या जायमानत्वेन. Everything is utpannam भ्रांति दृष्ट्या जायमानत्वेन भासमानम अपि यथा न जायते. Really speaking, येन प्रकारेण वस्तुतः न जायते किंतु सर्वतो देशतः कालतः वस्तुतस्य. In every way it is पूर्णम कूटस्थमेव वस्तु भवति तथा तम प्रकारम इति संबंधः. तम प्रकारम means तद्वती तत्प्रकारम. So tam prakaram, how it is in this way. Purnam sarvatah deshatah kalatah vastutah. That tam prakaram वक्ष्यामि। भाष्य समन्ततः समन्ताद् यथा न जायते किंचित अल्पमपि न स्फुटति रज्जु सर्पवत् अविद्या कृत दृष्ट्या like the sarpa in rajju, it is caused out of avidya. Avidya krita drishtya jayamanam yena prakarena na jayate sarvato ajameva brahma bhavati. 6-7 number टिप्पणी अविद्या अविद्या जनितया भ्रांति रूपया जायमानत्वेन उपलभ्यमानम पूर्ण मीन्स तथा च पर अभ्युपगतम अभ्युपगत परमाणु परिच्छेद इति भावः. This is according to Nyaya. Nayayika, what do they say? Parmanu Paricheda, they accept. So, what we want to say? 8 number tippani. Okay. Oh, Purnatva Sankirtana. So, Parmanu Paricheda is also not there in Purna Brahma. अविद्याकृत दृष्ट्या जायमानं येन प्रकारेण न जायते सर्वतो अजमेव ब्रह्म भवति. In this way, tam prakaram shrunu ityartha. That teaching, that method you understand. So this is the pratignya. So how is this chapter laid out? First 2 shlokas, Ajam Brahma Pratignya. Then from 3rd shloka, 2 things he wants to explain. Through Shruti and Yukti. Jiva Utpatti Nisheda, Jagat Utpatti Nisheda. So 3 to 9. Using Yukti, Jiva Utpatti Nisheda. Then 10. Using Yukti, Jagat Utpatti Nisheda. Then from 11th Karika onwards up to 15, I think, or 14. Using Shruti, Jiva Utpatti Nisheda. Then Jagat Utpatti Nisheda. Starting from 15, in between, some other Siddhanta shlokas are there. Siddhanta means what is our fundamental thinking first. That also we should be clear. But otherwise, from 15 to 28 or 29, up to that, is all this Jagat Utpatti Nisheda through Shruti. So, using Shruti and Yukti, Jiva and Jagat Utpatti, they are negated. Once we do that much, then the nature of Brahma and Sadhana, they are mentioned later. So, this is layout. Now, we are going to enter into Tika. Pratignya Vakye Brahma Shabdena Paramatma Prakritaha Sakidrak iti apakshayam. Through Pratignya Vakya, it is said Brahma Shabdena Paramatma Prakritaha. By Brahma Shabda, Paramatma is revealed in that Pratignya Vakya. Ato Vakshame Akarpanyam Ajati Samatam Gatam. Yatha na Jayate. So that Aja is this Brahma. Saha Kidrak iti apakshayam apekshayamaha Atma hi. आत्मा हि आकाशवज्जीवैर् घटाकाशैरिवोदितः घटादिवच्च संघातैर् ज्ञाता वेतन्निदर्शनम्. So this is Drishtanta. Avachhed Drishtanta is given. Ghatakasha and Mahakasha. Atma hi akashavat jivaihi ghatakashaihi iva uditaha. Atma means Paramatma. Paramatma is like Akasha. Jiva is like Ghatakasha. Paramatma alone who is like Akasha is born as Jivatma, like Ghatakasha. And Ghatadivacha, Paramatma alone becomes Ghata also. In this Sanghata, Jatau means Paramatma is born. Etan Nidarshanam, this is the Drashtanta. So just as Mahakasha appears as Ghatakasha and Ghata, when Ghata Utpatti takes place, really speaking, Ghata Utpatti is not there because Akasha alone appears as Ghata. Akasha is Karanam, Ghata is Karyam. Akasha is Karanam, Ghatakasha is Karyam. It is only in appearance. No real Utpatti is there. So, just as the Drishtanta is there, same is in case of Atma. Jiva is only notion. Then Jiva's Utpatti is also a notion. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayana Sutra Bhashya Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.